How to check your KFC order history in your account. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by going to the KFC website or open up the application. And once we have done so, we can sign in into our account if we're not signed in. After that is done, we can go to our profile icon. Usually in the top right corner, we can select the option called account and go to our account section. Now here it's very easy. We can open up the order history or my orders option. On our left hand side, we can find a my account option with different options available in the menu. We need to look out for this option called my orders and click on it. And once we click on it, here we should be able to look out for our order history. We can view our past orders in the section. And here we'll be finding our orders with order date, items ordered, the total amount, and the order status. You can click on any order to see the full item details and view the receipt and reorder the same items if available as well. Apart from that, alternate ways are using our email. You can use our email as well and go ahead and view the email from KFC. Go ahead and find it up and open it up. And apart from that, some SMS sends details via text as well. We can open it up, or we can use the KFC application. It usually shows order history more clearly. And that's it, everybody. For now, we can follow out this method to check out KFC order history in our account. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.